Hey guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel Biology Tech. In this channel, I will going to tell you about some things about biology, the many subjects I have tell you before in our previous channels. But today I am going to tell you about some biology. In their topic comes in biology called homeostasis. Homeostasis means to maintain the temperature, your internal temperature, but according to your surrounding. If your surrounding temperature is minus, but your body's temperature will be on 36 to 38 celsius, and if your surrounding temperature is above 50 40, but then still your body temperature will be 36 to 38 celsius. This is called homeostasis. This is done by our body, the chemical reactions which are done in our body, and the all system is controlled by our brain. So today in this video I am going to tell you about this homeostasis stasis. If you are new on my channel, then please like and subscribe our channel Biology Tech, and also press the bell icon so you can get all these type of videos on time. So let's start our video. So guys, there I have already searched about homeostasis. What is homeostasis? Homeostasis any self-regulating process by which biological system tends to maintain stability while adjusting to conditions that are optimal for survival. If homeostasis is successful, life continues. If unsuccessful, disaster or death ensues. The stability attained is actually a dynamic equilibrium in which continuous change occurs yet relatively uniform conditions prevail. Any system is dynamic equilibrium tends to reach a steady state, a balance that resists outside forces of chance. When such a system is disturbed, built-in regulatory devices respond to the departures or to establish a new balance. Such a process is one of the feedback control. All processes of integration and coordination of functions, whether mediated by electrical circuits or by nervous and hormonal systems, are examples of homeostatic regulation. A familiar example of homeostatic regulation in a mechanical system is the action of room temperature regulator or thermostat. The heat of the thermostat is bimetallic strip that responds to temperature changes by completing or disrupting an electrical circuit. When the room cools, the circuit is completed, the furnace operates, and the temperature rises. At a preset level, the circuit breaks, the furnace stops, and the temperature drops. Biological systems are more complex and have regulators only very roughly comparable to such mechanical devices. The two types of systems are alike, however, in their goal to sustain activity within a prescribed range, whether to control the thickness of rolled steel or the pressure within the circulatory system. The control of body temperature in humans is a good example of homeostasis in biological system. In humans, normal body temperature fluctuates around value of 36 Celsius, which is approximately 98.6 Fahrenheit, but various factors can affect this value, including exposure, hormones, metabolic rate, and diseases leading to excessively high or low temperature. The body temperature regulation is controlled by a region in the brain called the hypothalamus. Feedback about body temperature is carried through the nervous system to the brain and result in compensatory adjustments in the breathing rate, the level of blood sugar, and the metabolic rate. The circulatory system also plays important roles. Its baroreceptors, pressure sensitive receptors in the blood vessel that responds to stretching, relay blood pressure information back to the brain, and its transport hormones secreted by hypothalamus and the thyroid gland to regulate the body metabolism. Heat losses in humans is aided by reduction of activity by perspiration and by heat exchange mechanism that permits larger amount of blood to circulate near the skin surface. Heat loss is reduced by insulation, decreased circulation to skin, and cultural modifications such as the use of clothing, shelter, and external heat sources. The range between high and low body temperature levels constitutes the homeostatic plateau. The normal range that sustains life as either of the two extremes is approached. Corrective action returns the system to the normal range. So guys, this is the mechanism of homeostasis. If you want more this type of videos, then please like and subscribe our channel Biology Tech, and also press the bell icon so you can get all these type of videos on time.